Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I was just wondering, I posted my link 10 minutes before, and then you started writing present. बेटा पिछली क्लास छोड़ दिया था क्या? Did you leave the previous class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Acha, so you were doing both the things together, writing present also and attending the class also.
Ma'am, there
No,
are
ma'am.
only 2 or 3 students who did it before
That
the
is what I
time.
was thinking. So I posted a message also that don't leave your previous class. Link will always be posted for all classes 10 minutes before or something. But that does not mean that you leave your classes. Okay, did we do determiners that day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Come on,
ma'am.
tell me which determiners we did that day. Quickly tell me. Start.
Ma'am, some, much,
Ma'am,
many,
some
any,
few,
a little,
very
the
few.
little, few, a few, and the few.
Very good. Anyone else? Please speak out. I want you to tell me the determiners. Tell me quickly. I want you to tell me the determiners. Only one child has spoken till now. I want more also. Speak out, Beta. Aditya Rao is in your class? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me very quickly. Only one boy has told me what were the determiners. This, that, these,
Ma'am,
only one.
some, any, much. Ma'am, some, any, much, many, little, a little, the little, few, a few, and the few.
Okay. Others? Now, does anyone have doubts in the usage of any of them? You know where a sum is used?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me where
Yes,
sum is
ma'am.
used. Positive,
Ma'am,
negative,
when
or
there is
incentives?
positive sentence.
Very good. And any is used in?
Ma'am, negative and
Negative.
interrogative.
Good. So much and many. Which one is used for uncountables?
Ma'am, much is used for uncountable.
And many is used for
Countable.
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 Very good. Similarly, in few and little, which one is used for uncountable, few or little?
Ma'am, little is used for uncountable and few is used for countable.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Yes,
Okay. 2, 3 people only speaking. What's wrong, bhai? Speak out. Everybody should speak out. One Vaibhav Gangwar is already there in the meeting. One more Vaibhav Gangwar is in the waiting room. Who is this child? Dome Pei. I will not admit this child. Who is this child? Hmm? Who is this child? Just see in the waiting room with rectangle and Dome Pale. I don't know what name is written. Any idea? Disappeared. As soon as I said who is he, it disappeared only. Vaibhav Gangwar is already there in the meeting, right? Are there two Vaibhav Gangwars in the class? Tell me, are there two Vaibhav Gangwars? No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anyways, the meeting is locked now. See, this name I was asking. Who is this chair, this person? Any idea? Dom Bailey. What is
No,
this?
ma'am.
Let's remove him. Story over. Removed. Chaliye. Let's go back to our class and start. Okay. Abhiraj is there. Abhiraj is there,
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very quickly, wait. Aditya. Who is Aryan Gupta? Is he of your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am Aditya.
No, Aryan, I was asking. Aditya, Anukriti, Anushka Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Is she- Okay, fine, beta. I need to know you people. I have not taught you, so one by one I want to know you. Fine. Aryan Gupta. Aryan Gupta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, better speak out. If those who don't speak out, I'll remove you from the meeting and permanently only I'll do. Abhiraj is there. We have done Abhiraj. Azhan Mirza.
Yes, ma'am.
Anushka Gupta is there now.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan Gupta, Azhan Mirza, Bhavya Dikshit,
Present, ma'am.
Ilma Khan, Ilma, present or not? Ilma is there. So I'm marking her absent. Kavya,
Yes, ma'am.
Kumar Parth,
Present, ma'am.
Ilma Khan, present.
beta, you better speak out, otherwise I'll mark you absent. I have already marked you absent. Now I'm changing. Next time I'll not even change. Kushagra Singh. Kushagra Singh. Only 2 times I'll take your name. Absent. Muskan.
Present,
Muskan.
ma'am.
Okay. Nishchal. Kushagra, I marked
Present,
absent. Fine. Then Noore Fiza. Present. Noore Fiza. Present or not? Twice I've taken your name. I'm marking you absent. So Kushagra and Noor, I marked absent. Did I speak out now? Rishabh Kumar? Rishabh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Roma.
Present, ma'am.
Shoaib Varsi.
Present, ma'am.
Siddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Sumit Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Tanishka. Vaibhav Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Vanshika Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
And Yashraj.
Present, ma'am.
So only Kushagra has been marked absent because he did not give his attendance. So I'm going to mark his absent. Who is this? Shreyansh Kumar Singh. Is he there in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But
Yes, ma'am.
I will not take him in. It is already 9 minutes. And I said the meeting will be logged at after 5 minutes. So I will not allow him. So I'm removing Shreyansh. Chali, let's go back. We did determiners that day, children. If anyone has a doubt in any of these, please ask me. I'm speaking out. Some, any, these, those, that, few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. So if anyone has any confusions, please let me know. Now let's do this exercise.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. This exercise, just do the first one first. Only the first one, then we'll discuss the answers. Okay. The question says, complete the following paragraph with appropriate determiners. Please start. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Just do the first one, then we'll discuss the answers.
Ma'am, in rough copy.
Beta, it would be better you maintain your copies. Just write the answers in fair copies because any day we'll ask for corrections. Your unit test internal marks have to be given. So we'll ask for your notebooks. So if it would be better you note down in fair only. Yesterday I made you write the name of all the determiners also. Today if you don't have a fair notebook, write in rough only. Everyone has to attempt. I'll ask you by name. Please hurry up. I hope all of you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good, good. Are we done, children? Finished? Beta, how many of you have finished? Tell me.
Ma'am, sometime, ma'am, sometime. Ma'am, a little, 1 minute.
No, no issues. Take 2 minutes, no problem. Okay, fine. I got your message, Nishran. Hurry up. How many of you have finished? Raise your hands. Beta, those who have finished, let me see. Raise your hands. Not even one. How much time you people need more, beta? Just the first one? Tell me quickly how much time is needed.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, one child says done. I'm waiting for the others also. Hurry up, hurry up. At least 2-3 more students say done so that we can start discussing the answers. Children, should we discuss the answers?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, one by one you can read. Start reading. Let's see if you give me the correct answers. One of you read out the first one and then the answers to the first one. Speak better. Who's going to speak the first one? Start reading. Okay, you want me to read? I'll read. Dash interview can be defined as.
And.
Tell me. Very good.
And.
And. An interview can be defined as dash conversation.
A conversation.
A conversation. Beta boliye, even if it is wrong, no problem. Boliye to say. As a conversation with dash definite structure and objective.
The.
Ma'am, the.
A definite structure and objective. The is generally used for something जिसके बारे में पहले already discuss हो गया होता है. It goes beyond dash everyday discussion.
And.
And very good. Very good. It goes beyond an everyday discussion with no particular purpose. There are dash possible interview situations.
Few.
And few.
Many would be better over here. Okay, beta? There are many possible interview situations, but all involve dash interviewer.
And.
Very good, children. An interviewer and dash interviewee. Hmm? Beta, the person who takes the interview is called interviewer, and जिसका interview हो रहा होता है, that person is known as the interviewee. It is normal for dash former.
The.
Very
Excuse me,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you tell the ma'am last one, G1?
Let me do this again. But all involve an interviewer and an interviewee. It is
Okay, ma'am.
normal
Thank you, ma'am.
for the former to ask, tell me,
The.
to ask the latter. Beta, what do you mean by former and latter? What do you mean by former and latter?
Ma'am,
जिसके
former
बारे
when
में
we are right.
yes speak beta.
Ma'am, like when we are telling something in more manner or like something in more about organization, like something.
See beta, understand the difference between former and latter. Former means पहले वाला and latter means बाद वाला. When we are talking about two people or two things, तो जिसके बारे में हम पहले बात करते हैं, then that is known as the former. And जिसके बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं, that is known as the latter. So here, who is the former? Interviewer or interviewee?
Ma'am, interviewer.
Interviewer.
Interviewer. Very good. So who is the former? Interviewer. And who is the latter?
Interviewee.
Interviewee. The person who takes the interview is called interviewer, and जिसका interview हो रहा होता है उसको बोलते हैं interviewee. So पहले किसके बारे में बात हो रहा है sentence में, interviewer और interviewee?
Ma'am, interviewer.
Interviewer.
Interviewer. So who is the former?
Ma'am, interviewer.
Interviewer.
Very good. And who is the latter?
Interviewee.
Interviewee. And beta, इनके बारे में हम already पहले बात कर चुके हैं. We've already mentioned about the interviewer and the interviewee. That is why we are using the word the. The is used for something जिसके बारे में पहले से कुछ mention हो गया होता है. We've already mentioned about the interviewer and interviewee. That is why we are using the word the. Clear to all now? Interviewer, latter, former. Clear बच्चे? Okay. चलिए, if
Yes, ma'am.
everybody is clear, let's go further. The latter direct questions and record dash answers.
The.
Very good. The questions may be prepared in advance or they may occur as dash interview develops.
As the.
Verb. Why not an interview? Why
Yes,
the
ma'am.
interview?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
beta, the is correct. I'm asking why the is correct.
ma'am, because we are particularly talking about it. No, ma'am.
I
Sorry.
told you just now. I told you कि जिसके बारे में पहले बात
Ma'am, it
हो
is
जाती.
already.
Yes, we've already mentioned about the interview in this paragraph. So many times we've mentioned the word interview. So if something is already mentioned, then we use the. That is why we are using the. The recording is often done on paper, but may also be done by audio or video recordings. Interviews can take place anywhere in dash street. Very good.
Oh.
In a
Correct.
street, cafe, office. Tell me, why did I not use the over here?
Ma'am, because it was not mentioned earlier.
Excellent. Excellent. Street, cafe, office. It was not mentioned anywhere in the passage. So that is why I cannot use the over here. Had it been mentioned earlier, अगर इस paragraph में कहीं भी ये words पहले mention हो गए होते, then we could have used the word the. Good children, very good. चलिए, this time it was much better. Another 3-4 minutes to do passage 2. Your time starts now. Smart children, very good. Hurry up, please start second one. I hope you're writing the answers somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have fair notebooks, better you maintain them. Otherwise, you'll have to copy it from the rough again. No point. Just the answers, just the heading of that. What are you going to do in the notebook? You'll write determiners. You'll write the name of all determiners. And then the 2 exercises which I did yesterday, the answers of those. And the 2 exercises that we are going to do today, the answers of these. Hurry up, start doing this. If you have not maintained a record of what we did yesterday, you let me know. I'll take up that exercise again. I hope you all are trying, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, please try. Even if the answers are wrong, it's absolutely okay. No issues. But please try.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Anyone else who's done?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Last 1 minute I'm giving, and then we'll start
Ma'am,
discussing the
done.
answers. Good, good. So we can discuss the answers. So many of you have done, we can certainly discuss the answers. Chali, let's start. Once dash priest had to visit.
Oh,
Very good.
Oh,
Who is a priest?
ma'am, who stay in temple like
Beta. It could be temple, it could be church, it could be mosque.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Religious heads jo hote hain, they're known as priests. So once dash priest had to visit dash new city.
oh,
Oh,
Ha,
A new city. Very good. अभी तक city का कहीं बात नहीं हुआ है. So new city to deliver dash lecture.
oh,
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 lecture.
A lecture at dash town hall.
Oh,
the,
oh,
The town hall. I'll tell you why the town hall, because it is the name of a specific hall. The is used as what is the? It's a definite article. What is the called? Definite article. ये the के साथ use मतलब definite buildings के साथ use होता है बेटा. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the India Gate. Okay, जो एक ही है unique. We use the with it. So town hall.
okay, ma'am.
He left dash hotel early
the
The-
hotel early.
So,
and decided because एक specific hotel रहा होगा and decided to walk down to dash town hall.
the town
The.
hall.
Very
the,
good. The town
The
hall.
town
Now we
hall.
are using the because we already mentioned. Being dash stranger.
Uh,
Oh,
What? Being a stranger in dash new city.
the new
The.
city.
the new
The new
city.
city. Can you tell me why did you use the new city?
ma'am, because we have
Ma'am, because
already
we have
mentioned
used
in
it.
Yes, we've already used it. Very nice, children. He soon lost dash way.
The way.
The way.
the way.
He approached dash.
Oh,
Very good.
a
Oh,
group
He
of.
approached a group of children. and asked him for directions. After explaining dash way to him,
The.
The.
One of
after
the.
explaining the way to him, because way we have already used, no? Already earlier, so we'll say the. So let's continue. After explaining the way to him, one of dash boys,
The boy.
one of the boys, because we've already talked about group of children, no? पहले बात कर चुके हैं उसके बारे में. One of the boys asked him why he wanted to go to dash town hall.
The town hall.
The.
Very good. He told them that he was going there to give dash lecture.
A lecture.
A lecture.
The boy inquired about dash topic.
The
topic.
topic.
The topic of dash lecture,
The lecture.
The
the
lecture.
lecture, to which dash priest replied.
The priest
priest.
replied.
Very good. To which the priest replied that he was going to give dash lecture,
A lecture
a lecture on dash way,
The way.
on the way
okay, to dash kingdom of heaven.
The kingdom
the
of
heaven.
The kingdom.
Yes, beta.
The
जो भी
kingdom.
दुनिया में चीज fixed है, there is only one. So we use the kingdom of heaven is only one. The boy gave dash hearty laugh
A hearty laugh.
A hearty
Very
laugh.
The.
and said, "You don't know dash way."
The way.
The way.
Beta, you can use, you don't know the way to dash town hall.
The
The
town hall.
town hall.
How can you tell people dash way to dash heaven?
The way to the heaven.
The way to the heaven.
So it's a funny one, isn't it? That priest is asking that I'm going to tell people the way to go to heaven, but he himself does not know the way to where. Which way he does not know?
The town hall.
The town hall. That is why the boy is making fun of him, that you don't even know the way to town hall. It was dash long and complicated form running into 4 sheets. Tell me quickly. Let's do it side by side now.
It was a long and
long
complicated.
Very
and
good. It was a long and complicated form running into 4 sheets, filling some of dash columns.
Can you
columns.
repeat first
The
one?
columns.
4 columns. It was a long and complicated form running into 4 sheets. Filling some of the columns was a tough job. The gentleman at dash counter,
At the
At the
counter.
counter.
the gentleman at the counter, because beta हम दुनिया में किसी counter की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. We're talking about a fixed counter where the gentleman is there. That is why the gentleman at the counter was also of no help. Dash voice was gruff.
The voice was the.
His voice was gruff. You're not using possessive. His, her, mine, my.
Sorry.
His voice was gruff and dash face wore.
Her face.
Her face.
His.
His.
Beta, it is gentleman
His.
now. Yes, it is gentleman. Wore. Dash permanent scowl. A permanent
A
scowl.
permanent.
He had already rattled 2 boys ahead of me by rejecting their forms. I reluctantly approached dash young lady.
A young
A young
lady.
lady.
Very good. A young lady at dash next window.
The
next window.
The
The
next
next
window.
window. I timidly asked dash if she could help me.
That.
That.
Very good. Very good. I timidly asked that if she could help me with dash form.
With the form.
With the
The
form. We've already discussed. She discussed dash form with me.
The form
The
with me.
form.
Very good. She discussed the form with me and dash entire job was over.
Her.
Her.
My entire job. Form filling is his work. No? My entire job was over in 5 minutes. I was really impressed with dash kind patience.
Her.
Very good. Very good. With her patience. I thanked dash for dash invaluable help.
Her. For her.
Very
Her.
good. I
For
thanked
and.
her for the invaluable help. That day I realized how dash little change.
A little change in the attitude.
Very good. How a little change in the attitude could make a difference. So this is about somebody who's going to fill some form. So there are two people. One man is very tough and gruff. He's scolding people. And what about the lady? Was she helpful?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why the author says that day I realized how a little change in attitude can make a difference. So this person went to whom? The man or the lady?
The lady.
Why did he go to the lady? Why do you think he went to the lady? Is already mentioned also in the passage. How was the man? Was he soft or was he rude?
He was rude.
Yes. And why did he go? What help did this man need? He had to fill what?
He had to fill
The
the form,
form.
so he had
Yes, he had to fill a form. It had many